Paano nga ba natin sinosolve ang arithmetic mean ng isang arithmetic sequence? Hi guys! Welcome back sa Love Math TV, kung saan ang math ay mas pinadadali at mas minamahal. For today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa arithmetic mean, okay? So, an arithmetic mean is the terms between any two terms in an arithmetic sequence. Ito daw yung term sa gitna ng dalawang term. Kung bibigyan natin siya ng example, let's have this sequence. So, we have here 2, 4, 6. Okay? Yung arithmetic, yung nasa gitna. Ito yun. Nasa gitna ng dalawang terms. Nasa gitna ng 2 and 6. Now, if I have here the arithmetic sequence 3 and then blank and then 9, paano kaya natin ma-identify yung arithmetic mean? So, we have the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. A sub n means arithmetic mean. Okay? A sub 1 means the first term. And A sub n is our last term. Now, to identify this one, para mahanap natin yung value na yan, i-add natin yung first term at yung last term. So, 3 plus 9 is how many? Correct, 12, di ba? And then we will divide it by 2. So, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, the arithmetic mean is 6. Okay? Let's try number 1. Find the arithmetic mean between 8 and 20. So, let's have the formula. Arithmetic mean is equal to a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2. Ano ang a sub 1 natin? Yung first term, which is 8. So, the arithmetic mean is equal to 8 plus yung last term nyo na 20 and then divided by 2. Okay? So, the arithmetic mean is equal to what is 8 plus 20? Correct. That's 28. Okay? Divided by 2. What is 28 divided by 2? That's right, 14. So, the arithmetic mean is 14. So, this is now the answer. Okay, now you try this one, ha? What is the arithmetic mean between 24 and 40? Ano kaya yung arithmetic mean nito? Sige, you have this formula, ha? You try. And please, kung natutunan ang video na ito, i-comment yan sa ating comment section, ha? And don't forget to like and share our videos para mas marami pang matuto sa math. And follow for more math videos. Bye!